we've got that cable repaired, I'm going to start stripping this set down for refurbishment, so get all the shades off. We'll just find out where our blown bulbs are. And I missed a shade. So there's our two blown bulbs. That one's most definitely gone. There's no salvage in that. And there's the other one. Well, we'll salvage the bases. There's one. So we've got a couple of spare bases we can add bulbs to if we need to. Nice, let's get the bulbs out. Now looking at these bulbs, they all look genuine Woolworths bulbs. Let's have a look, see if all the colours are correct. Should be 4 of each colour, red, yellow, blue, green, pink. Only one red one. So that's what we've got. Plus we're minus a couple of bulbs. So what I tend to do, I tend to have the fuse bulb in with the yellow. So that's a spare one. I like to go yellow, red, blue, pink, green. I might keep these two clear ones as spares for any clear sets that take these bulbs, so I'll put them to one side. So we need 4 bulbs now. This yellow one, I'll put that one with the red one. Got this little stash of bulbs that I had lying around. Got another spare Winfield base. Let's be super anal and change this green one out with a white one so they all match. I'm usually not that fastidious, but there you go, now it looks the part. So that one can go there. I'll put that one, the green one, so that can be refurbished. There's another spare base. Put them in there. Let's get the spares box out. Right, we've got our full complement of bulbs now, all 20. I'm going to do my tried and true method of refurbishing these bulbs. I'm going to do another video showing how I refurbish the bulbs, so we're just going to skip now to the bulbs all finished. And that's them done. Makes a hell of a difference. They look brand new. There's a thumbnail right there. So the next thing to do is to get them back in the lights. So this is the sequence of colours I usually go for. Yellow, red, blue, pink, green. start with the fuse bulb on the very end. Easy to find, looks good if you have it on top of a tree as well. So let's get all these in place. And there you go, all working. Colours look great. Camera doesn't really show it up very well to do it justice, but colours are all really vibrant, and Satellite looks like new now. So let's get the shades on. Really cool effect on these shades. Well, I'm happy with the way they've turned out. They've been repaired. The braid is still good on them. No rebraiding needed. I mean, look at the way that one looks there. The light reflecting on it. So let's get these wrapped up and ready for use at Christmas. There you go. How good they look. Anyway, hopefully get some more content up for you, go through some of the lights in the stash. I hope this video was handy and entertaining for you, and I'll see you on the next one.